Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Thrifty Tashi. Today, I'm sharing these easy, cozy fall recipes. Majority of these ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. So the first is this vintage style pumpkin pie recipe. I did purchase this pie dish off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm using it as decor, but I was curious to taste pumpkin pie, y'all, for the first time. Well, I'll say make pumpkin pie for the first time. The outcome was quite lovely. My family and I usually like sweet potato pie, but it was just fun just to experiment. All right, y'all, so after the pie cooled down, my husband could not wait to cut into it first. The first slice is always, oh wow. You got your crust, you got the crust, the crust. That looks pretty good. It's storming.
Well, it's different from sweet potato pie, but it's good though.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 through 10, what would you rate this vintage pumpkin pie recipe?
I would rate it maybe like an 8.
An 8.
But it's not sweet potato pie.
So we prefer sweet potato, but it's a good.
But it's not too sweet.
Gosh, you eating it pretty quick.
But it's good though. It's actually pretty good. It's not too sweet.
Okay.
And they got like a.
You taste the spices?
I do taste the spice.
Pumpkin is milder than sweet potato, so.
Yeah,
So, well, you're finishing it up, so.
actually pretty good.
Guess we can keep this recipe then. It is pretty good.
I told you. It ain't bad
It's like,
at all.
you don't want things too sweet at times. You just want something a little bit more basic. Wow. All right, y'all, so I have another pumpkin-inspired recipe to share with y'all. It's quite simple. I used one of these decorative pumpkins off of my front porch. I did share my fall home tour with y'all. If you're new to my channel and didn't see it, or if you just missed it altogether, I will link it above so y'all can check it out. But when it comes to decorating for the fall season, I do love to incorporate real pumpkins. On today's menu, I'm just simply cooking pork. I'm gonna have a side of the baked pumpkin, and I'm also gonna have some roasted Brussels sprouts, potatoes. It's gonna be a very delicious, comforting, fulfilling dinner tonight, and my husband, he absolutely enjoyed it. The baked pumpkin was really delicious, y'all. It was just a perfect addition for dinner that day. And look at the pop of color. I love vibrant colors whenever I'm cooking. So next on the agenda, lastly, is this roast here that I prepared in a crock pot. For this roast recipe, only requires a few ingredients, but of course, I'm going to amp it up a little bit. I have some celery. I also have some onion. The original recipe did mention potatoes and carrots. I'm not measuring anything. I'm just cutting everything up, trying to use what I have. You also need a roast. The recipe required a 4-pound roast, but mine is almost 3 pounds. So just giving y'all a visual of this healthy roast here. You will need some beef broth. And of course, the star of this recipe is the ranch seasoning packet. The original recipe only required 1. But I'm going to use 2 just for extra flavor. All right, so I have my clean crock pot here that's water at the base because I washed it out. I'm just going to place my roast in my crock pot. I'm glad that I did get the 3-pounder instead of the 4 because I don't think the 4 would have fit comfortably in this crock pot. Now I'm going to drizzle the seasoning on top. Now I'm going to add the beef broth. I think I added too many vegetables, y'all, but I'm still gonna try to squeeze this lid on top. Then I'm gonna cook for a couple more hours. I can't never follow a recipe exactly, but the meat is tender, y'all. Look at that. The flavor is there. Now I'm just waiting for the vegetables to tender. I'm gonna put the lid back on. I'm gonna let it continue to cook. 2 additional hours later, much needed to complete the vegetables, but it was definitely worth the wait, y'all. It was really delicious. I appreciate y'all so much for watching. Hopefully y'all were inspired to create cozy fall meals by using some of the ingredients you already have. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as always, comment down below. All right, so y'all be blessed.